you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I'm excited to show you a cool summertime drink. And I'm also excited to tell you that we've got a food pantry haul video for you tomorrow. Yes, always Tuesdays and Thursdays will be new videos days. Now, what I'm going to show you today is kind of a sneak peek at what I got from the food pantry. Okay, we're going to make a drink that you and the kids are going to love, especially the kids. Well, I love it, so maybe I'm a big kid. I don't know. Anyway, come on, let's make this drink and have fun doing it. All right, nieces and nephews, I've got some simple ingredients. From the food pantry, I got some frozen blueberries. Yes, I know. You're going to see the video tomorrow. Now, I'm going to take that, put it in my blender. I'm going to fill it not quite halfway. Okay. I'm going to take 1 capful of vanilla. Put that in. For the amount I've got here, I'm going to put in a 1/2 cup of sugar. Or you could use honey. Then I'm going to take my milk that I also got from the food pantry. I had this in the freezer. I better give it a good shake because I wanted it to be cold. And I'm going to put that just enough to cover the blueberries. Now, let's give it a nice pulse. I guess this would help. Now, let's pour some in a glass. Okay. This is going on the bloopers reel, I'm going to tell you. Let's pour some in a glass. Oh, yeah, thick. Whoa. As I make a mess, I'll clean it up in a minute. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Ooh, I made a mess. Let's see. Oh my God, that's so good. It's perfect for the summer. The kids get their milk. They also get their fruit. And not too much sugar, but you control the amount of sugar you put in it. Like, comment, subscribe. Tune in tomorrow for the food pantry haul video. And write to me at Uncle Chris, thefoodpantrychef.com. And yes, that is a sneak peek of the garden growing in the window. Look at that. Look at that. 2 stalks of celery and some wild onions. And I got some tomatoes outside. I got all that from the grocery store and regrew it. All right. Till tomorrow, guys. I'm going to go enjoy this.